image belt replacement. There we go. That. Okay, there's two hooks that are going to have to come out. To get the hook, you have to remove this little bracket, that screw, and that'll let you pop it out. Now the back door is going to be in the way. Pull these little latches out, and then the transfer roller will pop out the way, and that'll let you slide the whole thing back over here. So that's the trick to get the transfer image belt out. It's got those two hooks over there. That's what it looks like. So unless you get this out, you won't be able to slide it out, and the door only goes out so far. And try to replace this. This gets all the dirt and stuff on there. So this screw, that screw, this screw gives you the hook to pull it out, and it slides back in. So hopefully it gives you the basics.